Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2016 Honda Accord, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to remove your door panel in the rear, just in case if you have to do some maintenance under it, okay, for whatever reason you need to do it. So what we're gonna need flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a little screwdriver like this, just to do some little things. So right here what we have a whole little hole. We have to remove this plastic, so I'm putting the little screwdriver in and carefully try not to scratch nothing, which will trying to get out this cover. Okay, once we have the cover out right here, just drop it on the seat, and there are two screws, 1 and 2, so get them out now. So take your screwdriver and remove them. Now after that we have to remove this panel. So what do? We're gonna take again the little screwdriver, just put it in somewhere here and just raise it up a little bit. Okay, try not to scratch nothing. Once you click it, you should be able to do it with your hands like this. Over here we have a connector, disconnected by pressing middle piece and pulling on it like this. Drop this aside, take a screwdriver and remove this screw. Okay, so I removed the screw, and now we should be able to get the panel off. Right now the panel is being held down by screws, or by clips, I'm sorry. And so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna try to find some grabbing point and unclick the panel from the door. So what I'm doing here, okay, here we go. So I grabbed here, pulled on it, just unclicked, and now raise it up, and we have the panel hanging. So now here, right here, we have our handle. Okay, so how to remove this? You just pull on this white piece, just pull it. Okay, after that you are able to wiggle the link out. Okay, as you can see, it's formed like this, and it should go accordingly inside. So same thing here on the bottom, pressing on it and getting it out like this. As you can see, very simple, the panel goes. Okay, so now you're able to do whatever you have to do here. You can just peel this off, get inside and see what's going on. So now let's put the panel back on. Same exact reverse procedure. Connect connectors, links. Okay, I'm putting the top one first. This thing is a little tricky. Okay, so it's in. Now put the bottom. Good. So now this thing goes in here. Okay, so put this thing in and secure it with the white piece. Okay, same thing on top. This thing goes here and secure it. After that, get your connector out here, then put the top on. Okay, make sure there are no gaps here. After that, just align clips, and as you can see, there's a clip and there's a hole. Just click everything back in place. Now we lost wire, that's bad thing. We have to find it and get it out from here. So get this thing out, then take a screw, put it back in here, and put 2 screws in here. Okay, so I have 1 screw here, 2 screws here. Then we take this cover, put it back in, like this, put it back in, and take this switch, just connector with the switch upside down, this. What's up? Okay, and this end goes in first. Just close it. That's it. That's the whole procedure. Okay guys, so I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.